behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, we'd like to finally welcome you to Dallas. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, seat backs and tray tables in their full upright and locked positions. Make sure your carrying items stay right where they are. Don't get up until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening the overhead bins. Items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. You can use your cell phones now as long as they're within arm's reach. We do apologize once again for our delay this evening. We hope to make it up to you soon on a future Southwest flight. Please be careful driving out there. Come back and see us again real soon. Welcome to Dallas Love Field.